Hey guys, I have an incredibly special guest today. I have Kaylana here cooking with me today, and she just told me something that is incredibly incredible. How many guinea pigs do you have? 8 guinea pigs. Oh my goodness, you are a girl after our community's heart. Everybody out there in our community, they love animals so much. And you know what else they love to do? They love to cook. Would you like to cook with me? Okay, so today we're gonna make flourless chocolate cupcakes. How does that sound?
Good.
Good, it sounds good. Okay, you're my chef. So the first thing that we do is this is a whole egg, okay? And I'm gonna take this egg and I'm gonna crack it in half here and I'm gonna separate. We do this with 6 eggs. Whoops, I want the white part of the egg to go in here, right? The egg white. I separate it and I shake it back and forth like that. And I want the yolk to go in here. And I have 6 yolks right there. Let me just toss this right here. Don't go anywhere. Thank you for manning the front. Okay, now what I need you to do is take all 6 egg yolks and can you dump them right in this bowl for me? Yes, ma'am. All of those and dump them right in there. Excellent job. Very good. Okay, guys, so you're gonna take your 6 egg yolks and you're gonna put them in a bowl. And then we're gonna take raw cacao powder. This is like raw chocolate. This is what makes it taste really, really good. Remember, cacao is good for stress hormones. If you're not sleeping, if you get leg cramps or muscle soreness, this helps you sleep really good at night and have sweet, sweet dreams. Does that sound good?
Yeah.
Okay, dump that in. And let's see, with this, we have how much raw cacao powder? I put in 1 1/4 cup of raw cacao powder. Excellent job. Have you done this before? Here, let me give you a napkin so you don't ruin that beautiful, beautiful dress. Okay, with your egg whites and your cacao powder, we're gonna add, this makes it taste nice and sweet. This is called xylitol, okay? We're gonna add, let's see how much xylitol. You wanna dump that in there? 3/4 cup of xylitol. You're gonna put that in there. Perfection. And you know what I'm gonna let you do? I'm gonna let you stir all of this up. You guys, it's so important that you cook with your family, that you bring kids into the kitchen, that you make sure that you establish healthy nutrition as early as you can. Look at this incredible chef that I have. You guys, we can all do this together. Now we're gonna add one more thing. I'm gonna have you, and this is very full, so set that aside for a second. And we are going to add melted coconut oil. And this is 3/4 cup of coconut oil. So take 2, what did you just say? It smells so good, doesn't it? I want to eat it already. Okay, put it on in there. Good job. Excellent, excellent. While she's stirring that, I'm going to take the egg whites that we separated. Remember, you have 6 egg whites. And I'm gonna put this in an automatic blender. You can use a hand blender, you can use one of these automatic blenders, and you're going to whip these egg whites until they're nice and firm, or what we call stiff. A little trick to this is if you refrigerate your bowl before you whip your eggs, it will stiffen faster. So let me get to blending and we will be right back. Okay, you guys, I get to be lazy in the kitchen. This chef here is doing all the work for me. You are doing such a good job. How does it smell?
Smells like brownies.
Oh, it smells like brownies. I think it's gonna taste like brownies too. Let's see if I can get this thing.
I love brownies.
I do too. You're gonna love these, and I'm gonna tell you a little secret, okay? These are really healthy and good for you. So you can eat these anytime you want, says me. I'll tell your mama, okay? I know you're gonna love it. Ugh. I can't get this out from this angle. Hold on just a second, guys. Go ahead and just, thank you. All right, we got it. I need your strength. Okay, you guys, this is what the egg whites look when they're nice and firm. And I want you to dip in there. We're gonna do it together, okay? You can take that spoon that has all that chocolate on it, and we're just gonna put you go ahead and put it in there, that's fine. You're gonna mix it all up together and stick it in this bowl like this, perfect. And see if we can't get all of those egg whites. There you go. Look at you, you're doing a great job. Doesn't that look delicious? All right, let's see if I can get a little more in there and help you. Okay. Does this look like a fluffy cloud?
Yeah, it looks like whipped cream.
It looks like whipped cream. And it smells like fudge and chocolate cake.
And whipped cream looks like shaving cream.
Whipped cream looks exactly like shaving cream. I'm trying to get out of your way over here. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna move this up here really quick. There we go. You keep stirring, okay? I'm gonna get all this fluffy cloud egg whites into the bowl.
So satisfying.
Well,
It's like ASMR.
It sounds so satisfying.
It is.
It's what?
ASMR.
Oh yeah, this is gonna be delicious. You guys, this is the easiest recipe to make. You're gonna bake these at 275, like about 40 to 50 minutes. I like to kind of have mine a little bit more moist, and sometimes I even add cacao nibs into mine. You can add crushed walnuts, you could add sunflower seeds. That might be kind of yummy in there, huh? I'm gonna move things around here just a little bit. We're getting to some serious cooking here. Are you gonna be excited to put these in the baking sheet? Me too. I'm gonna get a little muscle in there with you too, okay? We can do this together. You get that side of the bowl and I'll get this side of the bowl. Does that sound good? And this is what's called, when you cook, this is what's called folding ingredients in together. Do you ever fold any of your laundry, like a shirt or maybe a dress? Do you ever fold your clothes?
No.
Maybe someday.
My mom does.
Your mom does. What a wonderful mom, huh? I'm gonna switch sides with you. We're gonna turn it this way really quick. You are doing such an exceptional job. It takes a lot of muscle to do this, doesn't it? But it sure smells good. So egg whites are very good in protein, and protein helps you build muscles. That's why you're so strong and able to make this cake. It's called a flourless cake because it doesn't have any grain in it. It doesn't have any wheat or oats or barley or anything like that. And you're just gonna mush this up. Oh my goodness, we're doing such a good job. And remember, you guys, I always say, if you make it, your metabolism can take it. Ooh, guess what? I think we got a little bit of batter on our fingers. One of my favorite things to do with baking, because you gotta lick it off, right? Yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. All right, you mix this up really good. We are doing such an amazing job. Let me get a little off of your spoon. You can get a little bit off of my spoon. Thank you. When you cook together, there's so much love that's going into your ingredients. Thank you. One more. All right, you guys, you wanna mix this together until it's like a cake batter, right? Consistency. You know, mush out all those lumps. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this, I'm gonna show them how we put it in a cupcake tin, okay? And then once we put it in a cupcake tin, we'll bake it. I might have to lick it in a second. All right, scoop some up in there and just plunk it in your cupcake tin, okay? Excellent job, excellent job. Let's see if we can fill one up. Very good. Remember, when you talk about ingredients with your kids or your family, it gives you a great opportunity to educate your kids about how to be healthy, right? So we should name these cupcakes. So they help you sleep and have sweet dreams, and they help you be really strong. Do you have an idea for a name for these cupcakes? We could call them Night Night Turtle Mite. We could call them Sweet Dreams Sweet Cakes. What do you think? We could call them Sweet Dreams Cupcakes. I love it, and it's that raw cacao that makes you sleep really well when you have this flourless cake. We're gonna call that a go for these. We'll stick these in the oven. You guys fill your cupcakes about 3/4 height. Leave a little bit, one, because it does rise a little bit, and then the other thing is I'm gonna show you, we're gonna add some whipped cream. You ready to decorate one? Give me just a second, you stay here. I'll grab the whipped cream. We'll move this around. So as much whipped cream as you'd like. I'm gonna give you this for your hands. Does that sound good? There you go. Add some whipped cream on top. You got this bowl? There you go. Beautiful. And then these are what's called cacao, raw cacao nibs. Raw cacao nibs help give you tons and tons of energy. So if you're gonna be on the playground, if you're gonna be on the swing set, if you're gonna be working a job and you're gonna be working hard, or you're folding your daughter's laundry, You're gonna wanna eat lots of raw cacao nibs, okay? You wanna take these and sprinkle them on top? That's beautiful, by the way. You're welcome. There you go, and you can put as much on there as you want. Excellent. Don't forget, you guys, you can load these with crushed walnuts, crushed sunflower seeds, a little bit of Himalayan sea salt. This smell good. You can taste them if you
It
want.
smells like chocolate.
Ooh, right? Interesting. Okay, here you go, guys. Should we eat one?
Mm-hmm.
I think so too. Do we just open it up and take a bite? So fun cooking with you guys. Thank you for coming today. You want to say goodbye to everybody? And say, you can do it. You can do it. One more time.
You can do it.
Yeah.